Hello students, welcome to In 5 Minutes. So we will go with my second sum of the same type, that is type 5. So we had did first as u plus v, now second I solved for u minus v. So it is given that u minus v is equal to x cube plus x square minus 3xy square minus y square and minus 3x square y plus y cube minus 2xy. So now this has been given. We need to find analytic function. So by following same steps, so I write step 1. So I don't write now what we need to do in step 1. Obviously we need to differentiate this whole function with respect to x and with respect to y. Then I write ux minus vx. With respect to x I get 3x square plus 2x minus 3y square 0, and this has minus 6xy, and the last has minus 2y. ui minus vy, that I get as first two terms will be 0 with respect to y, thus minus 6xy, next is minus 2y, next is minus 3x square plus 3y square and minus 2x. So that's my step 1. I say in step 2 I need to put x equal to z and y equal to 0. So you know that we will be using Milnor-Thomson here again. So I write ux minus vx, that is equal to 3z square plus 2z. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and since y is 0, so I say ui minus vy. I get the first term is 0, second term is 0, this I get as minus 3z square, then this term is 0, and the last I get as minus 2z. So I got equation number, I write as A, and equation number B. So by solving this equation I can get ux and vx, but before that we need to put this equation in same variables, or I need to put this equation in same variable, that is ux vx, and this should be also ux vx. For that I will be using my step 3, that since function is analytic I can say ux is equal to vy and ui is equal to minus vx. So that means the first I'll keep it as it is. So ux plus vx, ux minus vx is 3z square plus 2z, that is minus 3z square plus 2z. Second equation I can write as, in the place of ui I'll be writing minus vx, and in place of vy, that is minus vy, I'll be writing minus ux, and that is equal to minus 3z square minus 2z. Now let's add this equation. So that's exactly my equation number A and equation number B. So when you add this, ux and ux gets cancelled. I get minus 2 vx, that is equal to 3z square minus 3z square gets cancelled, and 2z minus 2z gets cancelled, I get 0. So I got vx equal to 0. Now this I can put in any one of them, and I can say since vx is 0 and first ux will be equal to, this is 0, I got 3z square plus 2z. So that's my ux I got. Now in step 4 I can say f dash of z is equal to ux plus ivx. Hence I can write my ux is 3z square plus 2z and vx is 0, so that's my f dash of z. So I can get f of z, which is integration of this 3z square plus 2z into dz. I can say here 3z cube divided by 3 plus 2z square divided by 2 plus c. So hence this and this gets cancelled, and finally I get f of z as z cube plus z square plus c. That's my function. Thank you for watching video in 5 minutes.